Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Pebble Stitch. Super easy, it's a reversible pattern, so both sides are going to look pretty much the same. So to start out, you want to have multiples of 2 plus 1. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick 10 chains plus 1. And you will need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet for this pattern. If you need help with that, you can find that down in the description below. Alright, we have our 10 plus 1. And in the second chain from the hook, we will want to do 1 single crochet. So insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2. The next stitch is going to be a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3. And we'll repeat this. So next stitch is a single crochet. The stitch after that will be a double crochet. And we repeat this all the way to the end of the row. So single crochet, double crochet. And you should end your work on a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, and 3. Kind of tighten your tail and kind of get an idea how this looks. So we will turn our work and we will chain 1. And this will be the repeat that you will do through the whole entire project. So we will do a single crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. So to get your pattern, it'll literally just be a single crochet and a double crochet. We just keep repeating this all the time. So where you had a double crochet in the last stitch, you'll do a single crochet on top of that, and where you had a single crochet in the last stitch, you will do a double crochet on top of that. So here you can kind of see how the texture is coming together. And I'm just going to do one more row just to give you one more look. So chain 1, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. And you always want to make sure that you end on a double crochet. And there you have it. This is how you do the Pebble Stitch. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.